Ever heard of a YouTube channel that drops 2-hour sleep videos, where you're a knight in medieval Europe, or a lost traveler in an ancient Mayan city? Sounds niche, right? But one of these channels hit 160,000 plus subscribers in a month, pulled over 2 million views per video, all using free AI tools and zero on-camera presence. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to replicate this AI-powered niche from scratch, step by step, from idea to upload to monetization. You don't need to show your face, use your voice, or even write scripts manually. This is perfect for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone looking to turn YouTube into a passive income machine. Let's break down this viral formula. Why is this niche exploding right now? Because it taps into 3 powerful YouTube trends. 1. Long-form content equals max watch time. 2. Relaxing, immersive experiences equals return viewers. 3. Historical storytelling equals evergreen topics. And the best part? It's nearly all automated. You can build entire videos with AI tools that are free or dirt cheap. Plus, people don't just watch, they binge. Meaning more ad impressions, higher RPMs, and crazy growth potential. This niche is like ASMR plus documentaries plus lo-fi all rolled into one. Low effort, high scale. Let's dive deeper and find the niche that fits you. Now, picking your niche is the real game changer. You want to blend ambient audio, historical point of view storytelling, and visual escapism. Here are some hot examples working right now. You're a samurai during a midnight raid in 1582 Japan. You're an explorer lost in the Roman catacombs. You're a prisoner escaping a medieval fortress during a storm. These narratives pull viewers into the story. They're designed for sleep, relaxation, or background listening. And because they're so niche, you'll stand out fast. Use ChatGPT to generate 20 unique story ideas. Prompt: give me POV story settings for a 2-hour immersive sleep video. Then shortlist the top 5 ideas that sound relaxing yet mysterious. Next, validate them. Search YouTube using similar titles. Look for videos with high views and low competition. This way, you're not guessing. You're strategically choosing stories that already work. And because these niches are faceless, you can build multiple channels, each with its own theme. Let's get into the setup. First, your tools. Script writing, ChatGPT or Claude VoiceOver. 11 Labs for realistic voices. Or Clipchamp, free option. Visuals, Leonardo AI or ImageFX editing. CapCut Audio, Pixabay, free ambient tracks. Start by feeding your chosen idea into ChatGPT. Write a 15,000-word script from the perspective of a Roman soldier during a storm siege. Include vivid imagery and calm pacing. Split that into 15 scenes. This keeps the pacing tight and helps during editing. Next, generate dreamy, slow-tinted visuals for each scene using Leonardo AI. Add soft glow, fog, and lighting effects for a lo-fi feel. Voiceover? Choose a calm, whispery narrator voice. 11 Labs works wonders here. Select narrative or sleep tones. Now, open CapCut. Import your visuals. Layer ambient background audio like rain or wind, and sync the voiceover with slow transitions. This editing style is minimal. Let the mood breathe. Don't overdo effects. You're creating atmosphere, not a blockbuster. You can get a full video done in under 60 minutes once you've got your system.
The wind speaks in tongues tonight. Its voice winds through the shattered timbers of our palisade, threading itself into the folds of my cloak.
If you're brand new to YouTube, this niche is a goldmine. Why? Because it removes the hardest parts. No face, no speaking, no fancy camera gear. You don't even need editing experience. Here's the beginner-friendly flow. 1. Use ChatGPT for story ideas and scripts. 2. Voiceover with Clipchamp free or 11 Labs paid but Pro 3. Visuals from Leonardo AI or ImageFX 4. Edit with CapCut drag and drop simple 5. Upload directly from your phone or PC. The first time might take 2 to 3 hours. By your 3rd or 4th video, you'll cut that time in half. And with long-form videos, you don't need to post daily. Just 2 to 3 uploads per week can grow your channel fast. YouTube loves high watch time content, especially if it's calm and immersive. Bonus tip: pick one historical universe. For example, stick with ancient Greece stories for the first 10 uploads. It helps the algorithm know who to recommend your channel to. Remember, consistency greater than perfection. You can always improve your visuals or audio later. Just focus on getting your first few videos done. Time to build your first viral video. Let's say your script is, you're a 1700 sailor trapped in a haunted ship during a storm. Here's your checklist. Script: use ChatGPT. Prompt it to write in first-person, slow-paced, atmospheric tone. Voiceover: try 11 Labs, Emily or Josh for a sleepy, relaxing vibe. Visuals: generate stormy ship decks, flickering lanterns, foggy hallways with Leonardo AI. Add a surreal glow or grain filter. Audio: mix ocean waves plus distant thunder from Pixabay. Loop them subtly under the voice. Open CapCut. 1. Drop in the visuals, 1 per scene. 2. Align them with your voice narration. 3. Adjust brightness, saturation, and add gentle zoom-ins for immersion. 4. Lower the ambient noise volume so the voice stays crisp. Add a simple fade-in intro. Storytime sleep: you're a 1700 sailor. Then export in 1080p or upscale to 4K using upscale. Final step: preview it like a viewer.
The rain hasn't stopped for hours. It drums on the deck above like 1,000 ghostly knuckles, tapping warnings I dare not heed.
Does it feel immersive? Calming? If yes, upload it. If not, tweak pacing, audio levels, or images until it flows. Once it's up, you've got your first real asset on the channel. Uploading is where most creators mess up. Here's how to optimize for growth. Title: use curiosity. You're a samurai. Trapped in a snowstorm, 1582. Thumbnail: show one dramatic scene. Use Photo P for quick edits. Add big text like, you won't survive this night. Description: include keywords like sleep story, historical ASMR, and your niche. Add chapter timestamps for each scene. Tags: think like a viewer. Add lofi sleep, ambient storytelling. You are there? AI story time? Schedule uploads at night between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. That's peak time for your sleep-focused audience. Yes, these channels can be monetized. Once you hit 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours, apply for AdSense. You'll earn more per video because they're long form. Bonus: add affiliate links to sleep apps or headphones. Some channels even sell themed digital journals or audiobooks as passive income. Here's the real secret: you don't need to go viral. You just need one video to land, and it can change everything. Each video builds your library of assets. They keep getting views, even months later. And since you're using AI, you're not trading time for money. 1 hour of work can lead to thousands of passive views. Start small, start messy, but start now. That's the full breakdown. If you're serious about building your first AI-powered channel, grab the free tools and prompts linked below. Like and subscribe if this helped. I've got more breakdowns like this coming weekly. Now go create something awesome. You've got this. Catch you next time.